I'm kind of tempted to try it on my face, so, you know, we'll see how that goes. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 6 of June 2018 box week. Yes, it is day 6. So really quick, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome. I'm Drew, and box week is the best week every single month on my YouTube channel. It is the one week every month that me and my YouTube subscribers, the people who subscribe to this channel, the Justlikedrew crew, where we spend 7 consecutive days together. Yes, we will have a brand new video every day for 7 days straight. You're catching us on day 6, but not to worry. You can go back and catch up with us, join us where we're at now. So tonight we're going to be unboxing a box that honestly, like, up until like last month, it was on the chopping block. Like, I was actually like this close to canceling it, and then last month they came out and I was actually pretty impressed with what they gave us. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I am talking about the Macys Beauty Box. About a year ago, Macys came out with the Beauty Box. I think it's actually like next month will be exactly 1 year since the box has come out. They started a beauty box from Macys, like the department store, from their beauty side, and basically every single month it's like $15. They send you beauty products from their collection. Recently it's been kind of bland. Like, they haven't been doing anything that's kind of been a wow factor. It's been a lot of similar products or products that you can normally get as like gifts with purchase. But then last month they came out and gave us like a full-size Tarte bronzer and things of that nature, so we're kind of like, oh, okay, maybe. So we're going to be unboxing that tonight, and we're also going to be putting more items into our stockpile giveaway, which I actually am afraid to grab because I feel like it's going to fall out of my hands right now. So this is our stockpile giveaway. We've been putting this giveaway box together. This is the 3rd box that we filled up. We've already filled it up twice and given it away. This is the 3rd one we're doing. Basically all it is we fill up a box full of goodies that I get in my subscription boxes. I keep some of the items, I give some of the items away, and once the box is full, we give it away. So it will be given away this month, so not to worry if you're like, is it going out this month? It's going to be given away at the end of this month's box week. So if you're like worried about when that's going to happen, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and stick with us to the end of box week, and after box week is over, I will just post a video saying that it's going out. It's you can enter now to officially win it. Okay, so I have my man, Mr. John Wayne, here to help me open up the box today. It feels really light. I don't know. Whenever boxes feel light, I'm always kind of like, I don't know. Like, sometimes light is good. Like, that means that they've got like some really awesome like products in there, but a lot of times it kind of means that it's probably like really small samples. So I don't know. So all right, it looks like on the top they have like they always have a little booklet, but it kind of has like pictures of like, I think it's in here, so I'm trying to turn the page so we can't see what's already in the box. The one thing I do love about the Macys Beauty Box, every single month they give you this, which is a $5 off. Sometimes they even send us a $10 off coupon that you can use online on beauty products or even in store. And the cool thing is it's 5 off of $5. So my little hack is you can go on their website, you could order like 2 Tony Moly face masks. You end up paying like $1 out of pocket. Everything that's in the beauty ships for free, and you basically spend $1 and you got 2 face masks with free shipping. So that's my little life hack for the Macys Beauty Box. All right, so this is this month's bag. They give you a bag every month. It says Friday. Okay, that's kind of fun. I actually really like the plastic. I like the feel of this. I think it's definitely cute. I think it's durable. I think it's a really great bag that you could take like on a vacation or to the beach and not worry about its durability. Inside, everything is wrapped in this pink tissue paper wrapping, so I am unwrapping that, trying to get in here so we can get into what's actually in this box. Alright, on the top we have Daisy Love from Marc Jacobs as a fragrance sample. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, didn't we just get like a daisy or floral something in this box specifically? Or maybe it was Sephora Play, but Sephora hasn't been doing as many. I'm spraying it off into the distance to try and smell it a little bit. Totally hate the smell. I don't know. But I feel like we just got like this fragrance from them. Like, am I wrong on that? But I just have this feeling like we just seriously got this fragrance sample from either Macy's or from Sephora. I don't know. So one of you guys, if you remember, please comment and let me know. All right, the next item that we have is Body Blur HD Skin Finish Latte Medium Dark. Okay, hold on. What is this? Body Blur, the original Instagram filter in a tube. Its revolutionary technology minimizes blemishes, covers imperfections, and smooth skin for HD ready finish. I'm for instantly glowing and gorgeous skin. Okay, so I'm thinking that this must be like a skin primer or something. It's in the shade medium latte, so I'm definitely going to keep this because it looks like they probably sent it to be in a darker shade. I honestly don't remember filling out a profile, but I must have. I don't know, but I'm going to put this on the back of my hand. Oh, you know what? It almost looks like a self tanner because this is like really dark. I don't know if you're supposed to put this on your face or not because that's a little bit concerning, honestly, with like the fact that this is like, I don't know. What is this? It smells like suntan lotion too. I have a feeling it's some kind of sun product though. I don't know. Sorry I've gone off at the tangent. I have no idea what's going on here. All right, the next item that we have is Super Fanned Out Mascara from Smashbox. Ooh, this looks like it's a new type of mascara from Smashbox. It's in a cool little red tube. That's gonna go in the giveaway box, definitely. I don't think we have any mascara in the giveaway box, so I'm putting that in there right away. I'm not even going to try and open it to show you what the spoolie looks like. I mean, it's mascara at the end of the day. You know, we all have seen it before. All right, the next item that we have is Coola Classic Sunscreen Fresh Mango Moisturizer. Alright, so this is a sunscreen moisturizer with SPF 50. Can you guys see that? I said before I have a new camera, I need to actually take the time to figure out how to focus things in, so I apologize. I'm still learning with it and how to use it, so just bear with me. I have to kind of take the time and do that. So I'm going to put this in the giveaway box too. It looks like it is a moisturizer with SPF in it. That's really awesome. I love hydrating SPF moisturizers. I think that those are absolutely amazing and really awesome for skin. Alright, the next item that we have is Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask Extreme Detoxifying Hydrator. Okay, I'm definitely going to keep this. I've actually always wanted to try Peter Thomas Roth mask, so I'm going to keep this and check this out. Let's see what it smells like. I'm not really getting much of a scent from it, which is actually kind of cool, and it's definitely, so it's a gel mask. I'm wondering if it's like maybe a peel-off mask. I'm not exactly sure. It's ultra gentle gel, helps soothe, hydrate, and detoxify dry, irritated skin. Ooh, very exciting. This also sounds like it might be a really good mask to use after a day of like waxing. Whenever like I wax my eyebrows or like my upper lip, I like to do like a more calming face mask, like a cucumber or an aloe vera. So that might be something I keep for that time. So that's cool. All right, it looks like we have one more item. All right, CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum from Sunday Riley. Okay, so we have gotten this before. This is like a sample size. I've actually gotten the full size of this before in the Allure box. So I'm gonna put this in the giveaway box as well because I've tried this before and this is a really great serum and I'd love for somebody to get a chance to try this. So quickly I'm gonna recap this box. So we got this body blur stuff. I'm not sure what it is. I don't really know. I'm so sorry. And I threw the book somewhere, so I don't really, like, that tells me what about the products in here, so I don't really know where that is right now. Or, oh wait, hold on, I see it. Okay. I'm like, I need to know how to use this product because I feel bad that I have no idea what it is. Okay, it looks like you get the sun-kissed look, you apply to the face or body and wash off at the end of the day. So it is like a sunless tanner and you are supposed to put it on your face, but it washes off in the day. I'm a little nervous to try it on my face, but I also am kind of tempted to try it on my face. So, you know, we'll see how that goes. So we got that in the box. We got the Daisy from Marc Jacobs fragrance, which I feel like we've seriously gotten before. We got the Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask, which I'm keeping because I've always wanted to try Peter Thomas Roth mask. We got the Smashbox Mascara in the new Super Fan, which I'm going to be putting into the giveaway box. And we got the Coola SPF Sport Sunscreen Moisturizer, which is going in the giveaway box. And the sample of the Sunday Riley Vitamin C Brightening Serum, which is also going into the giveaway box. Okay, so I'm putting all those things down to the side and I'm picking up the giveaway box again nervously because I really am afraid this thing's going to like bust open. Putting everything in there. Seriously, it's full. I think we like have to add from like 1 or 2 more boxes and then we're going to like just send it on its way because I'm really nervous, like it's really full right now. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be a part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 7 of June 2018 Box Week. Alright, talk to you soon. Love you. Goodbye! Need a new black eyeliner, y'all. I told you, like, I bathed myself in black eyeliner. Like, I cannot get enough black eyeliner, so I'm going to be keeping this for myself because I'm already, like, running out and need more.